Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily play Flight Pilot on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're gonna do it, you'll end up right here to Ldplayer. And Ldplayer is an amazing tool that is going to help you install and play games. And you want to click download Ldplayer. So when you're gonna do it, I prepared the installation video for you. So what you need to do is just like okay, and now you're gonna press install. I got the link also in the description. You're going to choose where you want to install it, and it's going to download for you, install, and then you're going to end up right here in System Apps, and you want to log in here. So go to Home, System Apps, Play Store, and just search for Flight Pilot, and I'm going to click play here. And look at this. Click fly. And then on the right side, you're gonna have the keyboard here, right? So you can easily have and use General tab, rotate view in view. And you control view with the keyboard. Right, so we're gonna have like this. So these are the arrows, right? So we can have go on, and we can rotate the view like this. And now we need to like okay with the right side. Okay, and you really need to play around with it, like how to actually do it. So we can go the direction, try like with that. This is the view. Let's try it out. I don't know how that is going to work for us, but let's see. Yeah, you need to figure it out in the settings here, how to do that, but that's pretty much it how you can play. Maybe this.